Hey there, how are you? I have to admit, I'm getting somewhat worked up with JavaScript for Dynamics 365 and model driven apps. So, I'm starting this library of snippets that I will be sharing with you. My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide form sections depending on the value of another field. Let's describe the business scenario. This is in Dynamics 365 customer service and it's about entitlement. For those unaware, entitlements are contracts for services and can be allocated by the number of cases or by the number of hours. In this scenario, we want to have a list of related cases when the allocation type is number of cases, but we want to have a different list when the allocation type is number of hours. So we have these lists in subgrids in separate sections, and we want to toggle them depending on the allocation type. Just like this: number of hours and number of cases. And here you can see an example of a saved entitlement and the view of cases. And this is a number of cases entitlement, and here a number of hours entitlement with a different view that reflects time entry. What you need is some JavaScript, which I'll be sharing in the description. Save it as a JS file and create a new web resource. Check out this other video, link above somewhere, for more details on this. In the entitlement form, you need to add your resource to both the form itself in events and for onload, and to the field that will be toggling the section. In this case, allocation type, and in events, you need to add it to on change. Keep in mind, when adding the resource, it's onload for the form, on change for the field. And in both cases, you will need to copy the function name here, and you will need to enable the pass execution context as first parameter. And that's it. Get the code from the GitHub link in the description, adapt the name of tables and columns, and get going. Let me know how it worked out for you, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon!